So we are in Santa Claus, Indiana. We are at Santa's Candy Castle. Looks cool. Here they have the best ice. What is it?
Frozen hot chocolate.
Frozen hot chocolate here. We're gonna go in and try some. Grinch is gonna get you. So right when you walk in, there's like the wall or area, the room of Pez. Yeah, Holly, there's so many things. It's a Pez here for everyone. If you can't find a Pez here you like, then yeah. There's pizza Pez, cheeseburger Pez, taco Pez, Rainbow Dash,
Halloween.
Rainbow Dash, Crown, trucks, superheroes, Star Wars, police, firemen,
Disney.
Christmas ones, Easter ones, Halloween ones. It's crazy. All the Pez. So much candy.
Here's Daddy.
Wacky wafers. I haven't seen those in forever. Yeah. A big honk. That's me, alright. They're kind of chalky, I think. From what I remember, I may be remembering something different. So.
Here's your cameraman.
French fry candy.
Here's your wife.
A bit of honey that's allergic to honey.
Yeah.
Sushi candy.
Gummies.
Yeah, I like sushi and gummies.
Pizza. Oh, there's one for you. Pizza, tacos, and sushi, all in one.
Companies. These are the best. Gummy habanero. Ooh, there's the ultimate. We've been looking for those, or I have been looking for those. Just because I haven't seen them anywhere. I might give me some.
Gummies, Avenese peach rings.
And they got an ultimate big bag. Oh, you might have to try the peach rings. So much.
Over there, got unicorn.
Are these just giant gummies? Is that what these are? The ultimate ones? Oh my goodness. Made with all these, look at these flavors.
Let's do that.
Okay, we might have to get.
You want the little bag or the big bag?
I'll probably get the big bag. But we'll get it, we'll keep looking and we'll come back. They're not going to sell out by the time we get.
I just didn't know if you can backtrack.
Spiderweb cotton candy. Spooky gummy eyes. That is kind of spooky. That's funny. Mick Foley was here. That's funny. Oh yeah. You want a candy cricket? This is the jelly bean section. Jelly belly.
Jelly beans and drink.
Wow. It's a Harry Potter chocolate wand. All the jelly bellies you could want. Yeah, ooh, Krispy Kreme jelly beans. Jelly bellies. Oh yeah. That's funny.
We're going to play Bean Boozled.
Bean Boozled.
This would be a good Bean Boozled.
Krispy Kreme.
Delicious Bean Boozled.
Yeah. Try to figure out which one you're getting. The apple cinnamon or strawberry, original glazed, blueberry. My goodness.
That's not how they play Boozled.
That sounds
It
delicious.
sounds like a good one.
There's a unicorn mix.
Yep. S'mores.
This is cool.
Birthday cake.
Pretty cool place, huh?
What's in there?
Lots of candy.
It is the candy castle.
It is.
Whole pack of popcorn.
One of these e-fuku planet gummies. With everything. Oh, we got here coffee. Hot chocolate. Okay.
Caramel.
This would be a video. It's on the Candy Castle video. There's some ornaments. There's North Pole.
Aubrey, do you want to do?
Right there, North Pole.
You want to do this?
I guess we're gonna get a soccer. So I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm gonna get you a soccer. So it's there. No, she won't eat all that.
Oh. She's taking it up the stairs. It's like, whoa, that's fast.
It is actually
Oh, wow, that's cool. It's crazy.
Ooh, that's pretty.
There you go.
Now you're done.
There you go. You want a book? All kinds of popcorn, chocolate, giant jawbreaker.
There's strawberry first on the stick.
It's a frozen hot chocolate.
Might be good. Might be good.
It's supposed to be.
But I don't think hot chocolate's good without hot.
They said we had to try it.
Yeah, we're gonna try it.
That's what the internet said.
Hold it from the bottom. It's too frozen. You can't get any. It's,
My lips are stuck.
it's sucking down her lip through the straw. Oh, there you go. Oh, there it goes.
Still stuck.
Hey, what do you think? Is it good?
Tastes like a milkshake.
Chocolate milkshake? Good. Tastes like chocolate milkshake.
And my lips are stuck again.